Hello, thanks for checking out my tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a wine fridge that no longer cools. Usually it's pretty simple. So first you're just going to flip around the fridge and remove the rear panel with the screws that are holding it in. Once you get that off, you'll see that there is a small fan behind the plate there, and you'll remove that with the 4 screws that are holding it in. You can just let this dangle to the side. There you see both sides of it. It's connected to the heat sink. That's the piece you'll get to next. And once you get the fan off, you'll see that there are 2 recessed screws, one on either side. Right there in the middle, you can see between the 2 halves of the cooling plates. So you will get those, take those off, and once you get those off, you can spread apart the 2 heat sinks, and you'll see that there's a small module between the 2 plates. There's a close-up of the recessed screws right there. But once you get this module, you'll be able to look up the part number and see if you can purchase the item locally or buy it online like I had to. But all you're going to do is snip the wires, the positive and the negative. There's the part number right there. You're just going to cut off a little piece of that, and you will splice it into the new peltier system right there. So once you get those in, you just solder them, or you can heat wrap them, whatever you want to do. Butt connectors, just tape it up, make sure it's safe, and reverse installation, and you're good to go.